Hello friends, may you all be safe. There is a book to create book cover. Way to create. Usually what we do for it. This book is on an angle and for example. I import an image then. Let me distort this image. And I try to place image in this way. So there is image on book. Distort is a transformative function used to change the shape of an image. But if we want to write something on cover, angle of image has been changed. You can use the Rotate View tool to temporarily rotate canvas. This image has changed its shape by angle. Angle of image can refer to orientation of canvas and angle of a layer's contents. So what is better way? Perspective Warp tool to adjust angles of objects. I am going to delete this layer. Book has 4 corners. Here use guides for better result. Bring guides on each corner. We need to make cross with guides. And that is on each corner. Now on this corner. Make a cross on upper right corner. Bring guide on lower right corner. Guides are non-printing lines used for alignment, created by dragging from the rulers. It will make a cross on it. You can create custom layouts with multiple guides. And finally, this is last corner we need to create template. I mean cover of the book. Pick Perspective Crop tool. Perspective Crop tool corrects distorted perspective in an image. If you can't see it, to use it, select the tool from the Crop tool menu. Tool is there but for snapping. Snapping is a feature that locks objects into position. If you are not able to snap, then go to View and check Snap. When you will move to one corner, it will stick like magnet. Aligning them with elements like guides, grids, and layers. Do same for other corner. And same for rest of lower corners. You can control snapping by going to View Snap to toggle it on or off. This is template of the book. Template is a pre-designed file that acts as a starting point. It is on same angle and now hit enter. This template will open as new document. Press Ctrl+A to select it. Ctrl+A in Photoshop is the shortcut for select all. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. It will come back to image of book. Ctrl+Z is the shortcut for undo, which reverses your last action. Press Ctrl+V to paste it. This is template. Convert this layer to Smart Object. Smart Object is layer that contains linked or embedded file. And then after I need to distort this template and fit in corners. Distort refers to a transformative process that stretches or squishes an image. Press Ctrl+T to open Transform Controls. Right-click and pick Distort. Fit on each corner with Distort. This can be used to correct perspective. Fit template on all 4 corners. Distort offers more control by allowing you to drag each corner handle independently. Press Enter and this layer is for template. Template appears as an untitled document. Double-click on layer to open as new document. So any changes you make are saved as a new file. Let me bring an image for book cover. You can bring your own image. Or you can bring the image of writer of literary works. Adjust it so it covers all the area. To adjust an image, you can use image size command to change its dimensions or crop tool to resize and change. Then write any text on this cover. Select text tool to write any text. Write more information for your book if you want to. And it's totally depend on you. Now it is simple, just save it. Come back to template and you will see your image with text. And that's the main point I want to tell you. Now if I want to add more text on cover, now it will be very easy for me. I mean add more detail on book cover. Suppose name of book is biochemistry. Don't go on my errand, write the title of your own book. Write whatever you like and save it. As soon as you save it you will see a magic. It will appear on book cover. I don't need guides anymore now. Because the guides work is over. Go to View and click on Clear Guides. Zoom in and watch carefully. The book template is ready and looking good. Change blend mode to multiply. Multiply blend mode darkens image by multiplying color values. You can see shades on image with this blend mode. It makes white areas transparent and black areas opaque. Still you think it is not perfect. You can make changes in template. Press Ctrl+T. It will open transform controls. Pick Warp. Warp is a distortion tool. So you can fine adjust this image. Warp is used for both creative effects, like creating morphing or fisheye looks. This is your book cover. And on this blank book, we have created a book cover in such a way that it is part of the book. Try this method for your books. I hope you enjoy and feel fun making book covers. I hope you like it. Hit like and subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching.